My name's David Brown, and I'm a partner and co-founder of Ascent Employment Law. If you've lost your job recently, you've probably been looking online at different resources to try to figure out what your severance might look like. And there's a lot of great resources out there, like calculators and different articles that have been published on this. These resources, though, often don't factor in a crucial obligation that you need to think about, and that's the duty to mitigate. Now, when you lose your job, there's a number of different factors that we look at in trying to assess what severance would look like. This is going to include your age and how long you've worked there for, and the level of specialization in your job, and finally, the availability of comparable employment. But what often doesn't get discussed is the employee's duty to mitigate. This is a responsibility to make reasonable efforts to find comparable employment after you've lost your job. And the reason why this is important is that if we assess your severance period as being, for example, 8 months, but you find work after 3 months, then you will have successfully mitigated your losses. This can have a very practical effect on the total availability of severance to you, because you can't, as we say in the industry so commonly, double dip. You can't get compensated twice for the same period of time. If you found new work, there's going to be a strong argument that your severance losses will stop at that point in time. Now, mitigation is going to have serious practical effects in an environment of low unemployment like we're experiencing right now. In so many professions, we're experiencing a serious skills shortage. And what this means in practice is that employees who lose their job are often able to transition on to new employment with relative ease, at least compared to years past. What I'm seeing in my practice is this is having a significant impact on severance values, because the assumption is that people will be able to find new work sooner than they would have historically. If you've got questions about mitigation or severance rights, please contact Ascent Employment Law or visit our website at www.ascentemploymentlaw.ca for more resources.